Greetings to all. This is Muthu Meenakshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Nutrition, Ethiraj College for Women, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, South India. When my colleague suggested this program, I was really apprehensive as to what I would be doing because I'm not a techno-savvy person. I thought it involves too much hard work in terms of technological inputs, for which I was not really prepared. But then, as I registered and got to go with the classes, I found it very, very interesting, and that enthusiasm caught on to me in such a way that I would practice the assignments given and submit it on time also. Which is really very hectic because we are amid the lockdown period. We have to juggle between our work as well as family life. But I found it very, very interesting. Something which I have not ventured into. It was very interesting. The videos were really very enthralling, and the staff could give it into like they have broken down into small, small clippings and made it easy and assimible for us, giving very simple instructions which helped us to go with hands on training. And this really is, I would say, a welcoming approach to a teacher like me who has not ventured into any e learning platform. We've been using just PPTs and so on, but going for MOOC and all your e-learning resources really need some orientation. I really thank the department or the organizers who are organizing such a wonderful program for the teaching fraternity across the country. A very innovative, a welcoming effort by the staff of Ramanujam College to upgrade and help the fraternity to gear up and get used to the demands of the today's digital world. In fact, for a teacher like me who misses teaching, or anybody for that matter, this program amid lockdown is really a blessing in disguise. We've been constantly updating our skills, especially related to technology, and definitely this would go a long way because personally I have learnt so many techniques which I could use it for my students and also take it to the public as part of outreach program. Thanks to the entire team of Ramanujan College, and wishing you the very best in all your endeavors in the future. Thank you.